Yes.
Ma'am, your
Ma'am,
screen
it's
is blue in
black.
color.
Now it's, yeah. Yes, ma'am,
Now
now
it's
it's fine.
okay.
It is paused. Are you able to see?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Showing it is paused. Now you are able to see, right?
Yes, ma'am, now it's fine.
Yeah. So current is entering through A and leaving through B. That means current at point A is divided into two parts, I1 and I2.
Ma'am,
See,
actually, screen is frozen.
that's what I'm also saying. Let me completely stop sharing. Then Now are you able to see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm
Yes,
writing.
ma'am.
I'm writing that you are able to see.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. Yeah. So current enters through A, then it is divided into two parts, that is I1 downwards and I2 sideways. I1 is passing through 0.5 ampere towards D, and then after that only this is the path from D to B, 8 through 8.5 ohm. So that means I1 will pass through 0.5 ohm and 8.5 ohm. So total resistance from A to B, one side it is R1, R2, R3, R4. R1 and R2 are in
Series.
series. So total resistance
9 ohms.
R dash is equal to 0.5 plus 8.5, which is 9 ohm. And R3 and R4 are in again series,
Series.
because the same current passes through both of them. So R double dash is equal to R3 plus R4, 2.5 plus 3.5, which is 6 ohm. Now what about R dash and R double dash are? How are they?
They are in parallel.
This is A point, this is B point. The lower part is connected like this, which is R dash. And upper part, this is the current or resistance, that is R double dash. How are they connected? Yes, R dash is the total of R1 and R2. And R double dash is the total of R3 and R4.
Parallel.
And it's parallel.
So 9 ohm and this 6 ohm. These two are in parallel. Are in parallel. So total value 1 by R is equal to 1 by 9 plus 1 by 6. 18. 2 plus 3. 5 by 18. So R is equal to 18 by 5. 3.3 left out, 36. 3.6. Clear?
So across AB is total resistance, basically.
Yeah, total resistance from A to B, between A and B.
Oh, okay, ma'am.
And across AC is? And for AC means entering through A and going back to through C. Entering through A and going back from C. Sanjana, Meghna, Nidhi, Manish, I'm not getting any response from you people. Are you there?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Able to understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Then how, in this case, what will be the conditions across AC?
Ma'am, could you repeat?
Across AC, what are the resistors? Which are in series, which are in parallel?
Ma'am, 0.5 ohm, 8.5 ohm, and 3.5 ohm are in series, and they are parallel to 2.5 ohm.
R1, R2. Here current, it is divided here and here. So whatever the current passing through this will remain same through these three. and then move out. And here, whatever the current passing through 2.5, that directly moves out. So these three resistors, these three are in series. R1, R2, and R3 are in series. So therefore, total resistance is 0.5 plus 8.5 plus 3.5, which is equal to 8 plus 4,
12.5 ohm.
12.5 ohm, and 2.5 ohm are in parallel. So total resistance 1 by R is equal to 1 by 12.5 plus 1 by 2.5, which can be written as 10 by 125 plus 10 by 25. So 10 plus 50.
Ma'am, for this one, can you draw the simplified figure, like the resistors?
Yes, correct. Here it is A point and this is C point. So all these three resistors are in series. So this is the total 12.5 and here 2.5. Any other doubt? First I told to do,
Yes, ma'am.
completed.
No, ma'am, I have a doubt in 51st question.
Three resistors takes the current of 0.75 ampere and 3 volt potential difference. Two resistors are given 10 and 12. Find the third one. Draw the circuit first. Every time you are supposed to draw the circuit. Three resistors are in parallel combination. Potential difference of 3 volt draws a current of 0.75 ampere. Two resistors are 10 ohm and 12 ohm. Find the third resistance. How to solve? So what is the total resistance? Total R is equal to V by I, 3 by 0.75. That is 3 by 4. So 3 into 4 by 3. That is equal to 4 ohm. So total resistance is 4 ohm because it is drawing a current of 0.75 ampere. And now parallel combination 1 by R is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. Substitute value and simplify.
Okay, ma'am, I got it.
1 by 4 is equal to 1 by 10 plus 1 by 12 plus 1 by R3. 1 by 4 minus 1 by 10 minus 1 by 12 is equal to 1 by R3. LCM is 60. 15 minus 6 minus 5. So 15 minus 5, 10, 10 minus 5, 6, 4 by 60 is equal to 1 by R3. 1 by 15. So R3 is equal to 15 ohms. Clear?
Yes, ma'am, I got it.
52nd was homework.
I have a doubt in that.
One wire of resistance 80 ohm is cut into 3 equal parts. So what will be the resistance of each part first?
Ma'am, it will be 26.6, right?
This is the total wire of 80 ohm. It is cut into 3 parts. Each value will be 80 by 3, right? Resistance and length are directly proportional. So length is 1/3. So resistance will be also 1/3. It will become 1/3. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Then these 3 resistors, these 3 wires are connected in parallel. So total resistance 1 by R is equal to 1 by.
Ma'am, but how will the total resistance change?
Here they are in series. When they are connected in one line, they are making one wire. That means they are in series. When they are connected in parallel, it will change. No? Here, from here to here, they are asking. Length reduces to 1/3. Then the resistance also will change. Resistance is directly proportional to length.
Ma'am, I have a doubt. Suppose we get
Your voice is not clear. Voice is breaking. Rohit, voice is breaking. So R is equal to 80 by 9. 8.88 ohms. Clear?